toys on the train. Fun and learning, here we gain. Red coach has a happy car, zooming fast it goes so far. Blue coach has a teddy bear, hugging soft with love to share. The yellow coach has a smiling butt, beeping sounds, oh, what a lot. Pink coach has a pretty doll, clap and dance she plays with all.